Welcome, in front of me I have Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change default apps. Open the settings, go for apps, pick default apps, and right now if you want to change, for example, email application from standard mail to Outlook, just select the second one. And right now we can switch anyway to confirm, and as you can see, that's all. You can make the same for maps, music player, photo view, web browser for example. That's very simple, as you can see. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.